So this is how to create your YouTube channel using your apps account. So the first thing you're going to do is log into your Google account with your apps. So I'm using Janice's. So it was jrideout@apps.hpdsb.on.ca. That's the account that's logged in here. So if you go to YouTube, just make sure that you're signed in your apps account. Right here, underneath, you'll see create a channel. And so mine doesn't have this because I've already created my channel, so it's already started. Now Janice may never use this, and that's okay. It will just sit there, but it simply gives you an option that your channel will be open so that if you want to save videos to YouTube, that it's a really easy format for people to access. Most people can access these without having them having a number of different formats. So it's just a way that they can access your videos aside from your Google Drive. So from here, this is Janice's YouTube channel, and you can see that there's literally nothing there because Janice hasn't created any videos. So what we can do is this little video right here is where you can upload videos. There are times when I have made a video of my kids playing hockey on their GoPro or whatever it may be, and I've got it saved to my computer that I can actually upload that, or you can do YouTube Live. You could do that on your device or whatever you would like to do. However, we're not working on the video. We just want to make sure that the channel is set up. So I click on the little profile up here, click on YouTube Studio. And this will actually take me to where you can edit and see all of the dashboard for any videos that you create. Which I don't really want to see that. Okay, so this is in the YouTube Studio. I don't want to learn more. I want to click out of that. There we go. Okay, so if Janice was to create any videos, you can upload videos that you want. You can click here or even in the upload part. When I create videos on Screencast-O-Matic, in Screencast-O-Matic, it will show you a little snippet that it will actually give you, it'll say copy link, and you can actually get your YouTube link. It may not work right away, but it gives you, as soon as it's uploaded to your channel, it does everything for you. Then you can just click that link. The other thing is when you have videos that you can actually view them here in YouTube Studio, so that you can actually look at those videos and get the links and actually post them back. It takes a little bit of playing with just to sort of click through buttons and figure out everything that you're doing. But maybe what I can do is actually show you what mine looks like. I'm going to switch over to my apps account. And so all this does is it allows YouTube to be able to make videos on your behalf and give you a YouTube link so that your students can access those. And most students have YouTube on their mobile devices, so even if that's how they're accessing it, that they can access it because it's a YouTube video. There we go. So this is what my dashboard looks like, and I've got quite a few. It just gives you some analytics and everything else as to who's going what. Here are my published videos that I could actually look at, or I could click on content over here. Here are more of my videos. In dashboard as well, you have to make your videos visible. I can actually change that to unlisted instead of public. I simply do public just because I want my students to be able to access it without any restrictions, and it takes up time to be able to go back and see it. If you want it unlisted, it means that the general public can't see it. Only the people who have your link can actually view that. Okay, so this is just a sample of creating your own YouTube channel and the videos and how it stores it. And YouTube Studio is kind of new within the past couple of years in order to manage all of your videos so that you can know when they were published, or it puts them in that order so that you can access them again all in one place.